Welcome back to another episode of Let's Talk About EDC. Top 5 carry items. Top 5 carry items on my list. Number one, flashlight. Plain and simple, you gotta have something to light up the darkness. I'm afraid of the dark, so I don't play around. So it's number one on my list. This is the Wurkkos TS-10 version 2. Version 2 has RGBs. See how it's blinking a different color? Red, blue, orange, purple, all those. Version 1 just has one stationary color. So you pick your color, pink, and then let's say you wanted red RGB or red ambient light, you choose your red. But version 2, I have another version 2. See, RGBs. And then my regular ones somewhere, they do not. They just flash one color. See, boop, just flashing blue. This one will flash different colors because it's got the RGB all of the tree. That red one was a version 1. This is a version 2. Beautiful flashlight. I'll turn it on for you. I like the ramp up. Turbo. Strobe. Yeah. And then those RGBs. Bump. Bup. Ba-dup. Okay, locked it back out. But yeah, on my list, number one, and that's the Wurkkos. Where would it rank on your list? We'll leave the question right there. If you have anything to add, drop a comment below. If you like the video, you know what to do. If you want to subscribe, have at it. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. EDC. Over now.